Hi folks, look at Sharper Trades. People ask, I want to invest, but I'm afraid. What should I do? Well, the simple answer is diversification. And there is one instrument that is highly successful, lower risk, and a place that a lot of people can benefit from learning about it and trading. And it's called ETF, Exchange Traded Funds. ETFs are gaining popularity in the recent years, and it's a little bit, it's similar to mutual funds, which is basically a basket of stocks related to specific sectors or industries. But the biggest difference is that funds are there. You can't really move and touch and buy and sell like regular stocks. Where ETFs, you have that power, that ability. It's really beautiful and very easy to manage. So ETFs are a combination of stocks that focuses on a specific index, that focuses on a specific sector, on a specific commodity, depending on what your attitude is, the kind of risk level. There are more risky segment of the ETF called leverage ETF. Those are more for advanced traders, day trading, that kind of stuff. But if you stick with just the regular ETFs, a clearest example is the SPY, SPY ticker. That's the S&P 500 ETF, basically the 500 companies that the S&P 500 follows are contained within the SPY. And so fluctuations within the S&P 500 are reflected in the SPY, and you can buy and sell it just like a stock. So it avails that flexibility if you need cash, so it's very liquid. You can exit and enter position easily, and it's a place where you can have also a safety net. So people have difficulties. There are so many companies I want to trade. Is it Amazon? Is it Google? Is it something less known? There's still opportunities. Which one should I pick? The ETF does that for you. You don't have to select a specific stock or a company. You select an index. That's something that a lot of people like. And examples are, again, the SPY for the S&P 500, the QQQ for the NASDAQ 100, the heavy focusing on technology, or the IWM, which is the Russell 2000 for smaller companies, a mid-size cap generally, larger basket. So that's what you focus on. And then if there is a specific sector, for example, semiconductor, you like to invest in semiconductor, you don't know which company to focus on, there is another ETF called the ticker is SMH. Basically, you don't know if it's NVIDIA that you want to invest, if it's AMD, or if it's Intel. These ETF will cover many of them. The other beauty of ETF is low cost compared to mutual funds. They're not, generally ETF are passive investments, so you don't have an active management that charge you high fees, for example, like ARK Invest. That's a very common ETF, but it's expensive because it's actively managed. The people that manage those investments are very actively in the information coverage, but it's costly. So a regular ETF, again, S&P 500, SPY, QQQ, and some of those others. I'll put a link in the bottom of the description where you can get some more information about different ETFs and which one is available and specifications related to those. And then the other positive aspects of that, so the low cost, transparency. Investor knows exactly what they are investing. The ETF gives a list of what are the holdings within the particular ETF, the percentage held within the particular ETF. So you have clarity and transparency on what you're investing. They're very liquid, so lots of liquidity, easy to enter and exit if needed, as needed. Tax efficiency as well, compared to mutual funds. So they also provide that benefit. Mutual funds are more structured like a corporation, so they're required to distribute capital gains to their shareholders and that kind of stuff. ETFs is more like, again, it's an open-end investment companies, and you can enter and exit as needed, and close position, partial, full, and based on your tax bracket and other indications, that's what's going to happen, how it's going to affect. So ETFs is a great tool to learn. If you are just starting investing, if you're not sure where to place some capital, depending on your position size or whatever your size is, ETF is a great place to get started. Always better to start small and then build on it. And so check them out. Click on the description below to get more information about it. And if you like the video, comment, post, share, and let us know what you liked. If you like to learn more stuff about this investing and trading fascinating world. And as always, subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with things that we share. And we'll see you in future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.